morning, Harvey.
Good morning.
Was he on his phone?
Yeah.
Always. Good morning, YouTube. It's a beautiful, rainy, 33-degree day. Why I chose right now to go set up our, what do you call it? Quonset hut, portable garage, Harbor Freight house, hobo freight garage thing. Why we chose today, I have no idea. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow, but that means we can do other things tomorrow when it's nice. So here we are in the rain, about to try to spread some ledge pack. Hopefully that's not a muddy mess, and then we'll commence to putting up the tarp house hut garage shed thing. And like I told Harvey, the good news is once we get it up, we can go inside and be dry
Afterwards, so
when we're done. So here we go. I'll try to set you guys up here and there under cover. Maybe get a little tractor footage and a little bit of us playing in the rain footage. And
I'll just put it really close to my face like this underneath my brim.
there you go. But then we'll do this, and then we'll see where the rest of the day leads us. I have a couple of ideas in mind, but
Going to bed.
going to bed.
Again.
Says the kid that slept in this morning an hour late.
I did.
He wants to go home and go to bed. Makes sense.
First
All right.
in a while.
Here you go. Here's your, I don't know how much of this you can tell.
It's raining.
It's raining pretty decent. But yeah, here we go.
Came down way easier than I think this one's going to do.
Pretty sure this one will go together fairly easy. Yeah. I guess we'll just start from one end and work our way down. Well, would you look at here? We're inside our new house.
I'm living here. A little bit of insulation, a little stove.
You are gonna live in here this winter. So what do you think? Wasn't too bad.
No. Well, I mean, it would have been wicked easy and nice if it wasn't pouring out.
Oh yeah, it'd have been a lot smoother if it wasn't pouring rain, but you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. The directions are horrible for these ratchets in the corner, so I have them
Horrible all the way around.
yeah. Well, like, you have to put these 3 corners, bolt them together, and then take the bolts out to put these end walls on. If I were writing the directions, I'd probably just say to slip the fit together and then put the bolts in after you slide the...
Slip the bolt in, don't put the nut on.
Right. But, anyway, the cold and the rain made it worse, but it's still overall not that horrible. So we are nearing what we're gonna call done for today, and tomorrow we're gonna put some strapping and some plywood up on the end wall and down these sides so that we can put salt in here. So probably that'll be tomorrow. We'll throw the plywood in, throw a load of salt or 2 in here, and put the remainder of the plow stakes up, and then it'll be turkey day.
Yeah.
Carport. Do we have a strap? We're gonna see if we can just strap it down to so it doesn't blow away. That ought to be something with all this junk. Probably not. Probably everything we would have need. Why is the compressor?
Because a tire was flat on a mower once upon a time.
Do you see anything that looks like a...
I don't actually see anything that looks like a ratchet strap.
Hey, I have green sticks.
That helps us. Are you worried about it?
I'm not worried about it unless the wind picks up, so I can always just run back here
And throw a strap.
and throw some straps.
Yeah.
But for now, did you get all the tools out of there?
Yeah. So now we are done for the day. What do you think, Joseph?
What do I think?
Yeah.
I think we have a little thingamajig thing.
We do too. It's over there if you can see it. It matches everything else on purpose, right?
Yep. Custom ordered it.
Yep.
Same colors, everything.
$4,367 later.
Yeah. So I think that's a wrap for today. We can't feel our hands. Our hats are dripping. They weigh about 48 pounds.
What he said.
Yep. So I think it's a wrap for this part of the day for this project, and probably jump back in and see you tomorrow with, like I said, we'll put some we're gonna put some strapping and plywood up on the walls, and a load or 2 of salt in there.
Yep.
Yep.
You guys will see that tomorrow. Probably not in this
and
video.
maybe some snow stakes, and then probably end the day with throwing the sander in once we haul the salt, because the truck the sander is going in is the truck that will haul the salt. So
yeah.
So
Not if we had a 6-wheeler.
it'd be a busy day tomorrow, but it'd be a little more pleasant, I think, than it being this rainy and cold.
I would have to agree.
So have a good night, YouTube. We will see you tomorrow.